Resale homeowners, this renovation package is for you.
Introducing our resale move-in vinyl package.
3 rooms at 27,888.
4 room at 29,888.
And 5 rooms at 31,888.
So what's included in the package?
Packing of the wall and floor tiles of kitchen and 2 toilets.
And vinyl flooring for your living room as well as your bedroom. We also paint your whole house, walls and ceiling.
Laminated doors for all bedrooms.
And 2 toilet doors.
10 feet top and bottom kitchen cabinet with quartz countertop. But this is Hinton Stone, must top up if you're planning to renovate your house.
And find out more about our package.
Click on the link below.